Hi, my name's Gerry Hazzard with Victory Truck Body, and today we're going to be talking about our curtain side body, but specifically the hard side, soft side curtain body. If you like the cargo securement ability of a van body, as well as the loading flexibility of a curtain side body, this is going to be the truck body for you. All right, so we're going to start talking about the standard features of our curtain side body. The first thing I want to point out is our curtain tensioner here. That keeps the curtain nice and tight for when the truck is in transit. Then we have our quick release buckles here to keep the curtain down up against the side rail. The curtain will then slide across a nice sliding track at the top roof rail there. And at the front, we have a quick release handle here that keeps the curtain nice and tight at the front end and also releases so that you can slide the curtain open for loading purposes. So let's get a nice look at how this curtain opens and closes. So now that we have the curtain open, you can clearly see the inside of the body. Now with curtain side bodies, you have to support the roof. There are two kinds of roof supports. We have one called a T-pole that is permanently mounted on the middle of the inside of the body and support the roof from there. The other option is a sliding center pole, as you can see here. Now this center pole simply unlocks out of place and slides back or forth on the top rail there. So that way you have a clear loading area without a center support in the way when you're forklift loading from the side. So as far as options go on the inside of the body, there are a lot of different options that you can put. This is a great example of it. So here on the front wall, we have our galvanized scuff as well as our sidewall scuff. Got one row E-track on the hard side front wall and hard side sidewall. We have F-track in the floor and the roof along with the poles to go with it. And we also have E-track slots burned into the front and rear frame posts, and that's a standard option that comes with every curtain side that we make. So with our curtain side body, our front and rear frames are a little bit different than our van bodies. Our curtain sides have galvanized front and rear frames with an aerodynamic design. Not only that, they're reinforced with heavy-duty gussets in all four corners, and these gussets are also not only welded but bolted to the sides of the body, and this allows for flexing as the body moves down the road and eliminates any type of cracking or separation down the line in the life of the body. So in this body, we have a thicker, heavier duty Apatong hardwood floor. We also offer a lighter duty version of that. And if wood isn't your option, we also have a steel floor that comes in smooth, textured, or diamond plate. And similar to this body, if you need a forklift loading package, we have extra cross members at the rear, as well as a diamond plate threshold crash plate. All right, so now that we've talked about the curtain side of the body, let's go ahead and close this thing up and hop on over to the other side and talk about the hard side wall. So if you've seen the video about our van bodies on our website, you're probably familiar with this type of sidewall. If not, you should check it out. But this is our hard sidewall of this curtain side body, and it is comprised of composite panels that are shiplap seamed together with adhesive, also huck bolted down to the body, and you can see the low profile fasteners through the wall here that fasten the scuff and the E-track to the inside of the wall. This provides for a nice clean looking surface for any type of decaling, and also the durability of a really hard composite wall. So at the rear of the body, as I mentioned before, we have our galvanized rear frame. Our standard door is typically a swing door or even an overhead roll. This customer opted for a more custom option of a curtain rear door. You can also see that we have a liftgate walk ramp combo. And if that's not an option and you need to have a piggyback, we can also do forklift mount kits on the rear as well. So that about wraps up our walkthrough of our curtain side, hard side, soft side body. If you have any questions, want to talk about how to spec this custom body, just give us a call. And to take a look at some of our other products that we build here at Victory, just go to our website at www.victorytruckbody.com. Appreciate you watching, and that's pretty much it.